Hola! Welcome back to Remedia Baby's Hema 101. So for today's video, together with Julia and Zoran, we will be demonstrating to you how to determine your hemoglobin level using your acid Hematin method. For this procedure, hemoglobin in the blood is converted into acid Hematin, a brown colored solution formed upon the addition of hydrochloric acid. The colored solution is measured colorimetrically by comparing with a standard. We will need Sally's hemoglobinometer with comparator regulated tube, Sally's pipette, steering rod, rubber sucking bulb, and dropper. The reagents are 1/10 normality of hydrochloric acid, distilled water. The specimen required for this procedure is either venous blood from EDTA, double oxalate, heparin, or a capillary blood.
To the graduated tube of the Sally Hellige hemoglobinometer, add 1/10 normality of hydrochloric acid until it reaches mark 10 or 1% of the scale. Next, draw the blood from the finger puncture or from an anticoagulated blood sample to mark 20 cubic meters or 0.02 ml, which is equivalent to 20 microliters of the Sally pipette. The exterior of the pipette is then wiped free of blood using a clean gauze. Next, introduce the tip of the pipette into the hydrochloric acid and expel the blood carefully to avoid bubble formation. The tube is constantly agitated to effect mixing, and the pipette is rinsed several times by slowly drawing and discharging the mixture, again to avoid bubble formation. All of the mixture is expelled from the pipette, and the exterior of the pipette is washed off using several drops of distilled water. After this, the tube is then left to stand for 10 minutes to allow for color to develop.
Distilled water is then added dropwise until the color of the solution matches the color standard. As the water is added, the solution is constantly stirred with a glass rod. The amount of solution is read on the graduated tube and is reported in grams %. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Remedios Baby's Hema 101.